Hello everyone. Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to learn about a letter that's considered to be the most complex cursive writing letter so far. I'm pretty sure everybody got this wrong when you started writing the letters. Okay, I personally tell you, like, I faced a lot of criticism while practicing this letter. Not criticism, like, I never got it right. So this is the letter. So this is the letter. So how do you write it in cursive? We have the upper loop, we have the lower loop, and we have a place where both must meet. Without any disturbance, you need to move to the next letter. This is really tricky. And the most important one is you need to finish it exactly in the middle where the upper zone loop and the lower zone loop must meet. Okay, so let's practice it carefully. So bring it half like that, straight line, but remember it should go backward. And bring the loop in the middle. Do not form any knots, just bring the line out. Okay, so this one and this one must be of the same width. We find people doing this. We find people doing like this too. And there are people who makes a big knot in the middle, and some of them write F short. So I'm just showing you all the different F that we write. And we have people who write F like this or like this. So it depends on the person's mindset and their character. But now it's time for us to practice. So let's practice it in the proper way. Let's start with the upper loop. So we learned about the half loop, right? Half loop is still here. We are going to do a little longer and bring it down. Let's practice this first. Half. Okay, and now it's time to practice the base. Bring it up and let it meet here. So it doesn't exactly have to be like that. It can go a little up and down too, that's fine. But while meeting it here, you can balance it. Okay, and now the next step is to extend a line from here. Do not form any knots like that. That's all. That's the letter F. Okay, you can make a little tiny loop, but not too big. That's it. That's the letter F. Take your time. Do not enlarge the upper loop like this because it's going to form a curve and disturb the letter's shape. So this letter is all about how you plan things, because the reason is you start from the baseline. See, when you start from here, you're planning where to cut it. See, the mental plan is over here. Okay, the plan is ready, and how are you going to execute it? That's what this talks about. And then how are you going to follow that? A little loop is fine. Okay, so you're planning on the space you take to write this letter F. So I'm practicing it slowly with you. You can also do that. Plan how you write this letter. So this is the letter F, and with this we are just ending all the loop letters series, and in the next class we'll be learning about the retracing letters. So take your time to practice all this, and before ending I just want to have a recap of all the loop letters that we practiced. The letter L, that's the full loop, and then the letter B, and then we have the letter H with a half loop, and then the letter K, followed by the letter that has no loop at all, and now the letter F with two loops in the upper zone and in the middle zone. That's going to help you plan a lot and how to execute your plan. So see you guys in the next video. Practice all these letters. Be conscious, take your time. Since you're practicing each letter separately, it's going to be a little weird looking at your writing, but once you practice all the letters, I promise you it's going to be easy. Okay then, bye bye.